Alright, hi guys. It's I don't know, just call me Tran. I have two mice to review. They're both wireless, and yeah, I kind of took them out of the box to make sure they're working. But we have the G305 and the G703. If you guys didn't know, these are two like really good wireless mice. The G305 was used by ACU and Dizzy in Apex, and this mouse is currently being used by Roz in Apex. If you guys don't know who they are, then I'll put the link to their channel down below. And yeah, so we're gonna be starting off with the G305. It is a small 100-gram mouse, and the reason why it's 100-gram because it takes a AA lithium battery that's given here. Yeah, this could last up to 250 hours, and basically that's pretty much all. Like, it's a really good mouse. You guys can do mods with this, like 3D print like a new case for this, or just like do battery hacks, like take a AAA battery, put it in a shell that you can order, or take tin foil and put it in, or take the back completely off and just play with this only if you're comfortable with it. But I currently prefer just playing it like this. I don't mind the 100 grams. I currently use a Model O minus, and for someone who like really likes lightweight mouses, I don't mind the heavy weight, to be honest. Yeah, it's a 6-button programmable mouse. It's actually good for small hands like mine. I have really small hands, so yeah. Some features that this mouse has is that it's 6 programmable buttons, so you can like make this your DPI or something, or make it a macro if you want. This uses a 16K hero sensor, so it goes up to 16,000 DPI, and the lowest you can go is 200. This has a switch on the back to turn it off and on. You know, it has the stock mouse feet are around the corners of the mouse and around the sensor. You can see the Logitech logo and the name of it. You know, the Logitech logo here. And yeah, the scroll wheel is absolutely perfect for me. I enjoy the Model O minus, but I feel like, dude, the scroll wheel on this is so good. You can do any kind of grip. I feel like this mouse is easiest with claw or fingertip grip. I tried this mouse a little bit, and I can really fingertip grip this mouse so well. Things that it will come with is, you know, collector edition. I don't know why. Oh, the color collection. You can buy it in colors now. Got a big Logitech sticker. You'll get this little manual on how to use it. Just, yeah, no one cares about that. You'll get the packaging that will hold your cable, which I'm actually going to quickly grab to show you guys. Oh, my bad. Yeah, so you got a long cable. A dongle will be found inside the mouse. I actually struggled to find this. So when you guys buy it, there will be a dongle sitting here. The battery comes with it. Lasts 250 hours. If I did not say that, is the little, what do I call this? The little USB that holds the dongle. Don't know why, but I mean, that's how you connect it. Tell me if I'm wrong, if there's any other way, like just taking this tiny ass dongle, plug it in. The package the little bag that will hold your mouse. This thing, this is going to be at the bottom of your box. I don't know why I struggled so much with this, but yeah, and it's pretty much it. Yeah, it's a hero sensor. Yeah, 100 grams. Under 100 grams. I think it's 99, but let's just say 100 grams. Yeah, I guess I could give you guys a quick sound test on all the clicks, so let me give you guys that. the clicks are so crisp, and they're not even like that like heavy. They're pretty light to me. Like there's gonna I probably accidentally clicked it like at least 10 times already during the recording. But yeah, I love this mouse so much. It's honestly amazing. And yeah, I don't mind the stock feet at all. They're really nice in my opinion. Yeah. Alright guys, the next mouse we're gonna look at is the G703. This is lighter. This is about 95 grams. So yeah, it's lighter than the G305. It has RGB on the scroll wheel and the logo here. I actually love the feeling of this mouse. I normally use like ambidextrous mouse, so the Model O minus and you know the G305 I love the feeling of. But surprisingly, it's a really comfortable ergonomic mouse. I really like the feeling. This is good for like palm grip in my opinion. I like the palm feeling. Claw feels amazing on this. I normally use claw grip, so yeah, I find that claw is the best for me. Fingertip is an alright, but it has like this little hump here that is like I feel like the hump on it is a lot bigger than the like your average like bump on it. But honestly, I like it. I feel like the G Pro Wireless is a little bit taller. Scroll wheel feels amazing for me. I love the feeling of it, and it has these amazing side grips. Side grips are super good, really nice and stuff. They're nice and grippy, so your hands won't really slide if you're holding it. You know, you're getting an intense moment. You know, your fingers start sweating and stuff like that. You won't lose your mouse. I'm not sure how you'll lose your mouse in the first place, but you won't lose your mouse. Scroll wheel, I think I already said. Stock mouse feet go around the bottom. There's hero sensor and the top. And yeah, this is super nice. I'm pretty sure this is a second version. The first version was like so much heavier. Apparently it's like past 100 pounds. Not pounds, grams. Yeah. Oh yeah, something I forgot to say. Right underneath the scroll wheel on both mice are the DPI buttons. So yeah, I don't really need to change the DPI though. Don't find a need for it. And you know, your little power switch. Let me grab the dongle again because I'm stupid and I did not grab it in the first place. Alright guys, so first off here is the actual dongle itself for the G703. It's going to be found in the box. This is what you use to connect the G703 to your PC, your laptop, maybe mobile devices if you have Android or something. There's a charging cable. With the RGB off, your the G703 will last 35 hours, and I forget how much it lasts with the RGB on. But yeah, yeah. So same charger. This is braided. What I know of from the G Pro Wireless, I'm pretty sure the cord is not braided, but they use the same micro USB charger. It's nice and long. I don't really need to take it off though. Yeah. Let's do sound test for you guys. Yeah. What I really like about the G703 though is the side buttons. They're really big. The clicks are really crisp. But dude, if you somehow manage to miss the side button on this, you're something alright, because these things are massive. There's no way you could just like miss this. I could just rest my thumb normally without having to lift it up and just press it with the way I grip it. And yeah. And if you guys want to see size comparison between the two mice, The G305 is shorter. And yeah, I love the two mice. They feel amazing. And I'm gonna try to find some gameplay with this and show you guys. Also, I'm pretty sure they use a 16K hue sensor on the G703. But yeah, it feels amazing, man. I actually do recommend these mice, both of them, for anyone, literally anyone. This is such a good mouse. The G305 is a budget-friendly wireless mouse if you're trying to get your first wireless and you don't mind like that heavy. It doesn't even feel that heavy, guys. But if you don't mind the weight and stuff, I recommend getting the G305 as your first wireless mouse. It's so cheap. I bought this literally $50 in Canadian money, $50-$60. Yeah, this is just for the Ergo users. It's a little bit more expensive. Bought this for about $130. So yeah. What you find inside the G703 box, by the way, it's another big sticker. You'll find their little card. I have no idea what's inside it. It's, yeah, keep playing thing. You'll find out some manuals on how to use a mouse, stuff like that. No one cares. And this huge cardboard thing that literally does not have anything on it except for a hole with the Logitech logo, the G logo. So yeah.